Hey guys, so I'm just walking over to place these on a table that I could share my commentary about these drinks at Starbucks. So I know it's a windy day, so bear with me and stay tuned for the rest of the clip. I wanted to make this video because I know how hard it is sometimes to keep with a very strict and healthy routine all the time, whether it's getting the right amount of nutrients or getting the right amount of exercise. It especially becomes harder when all of your friends go to Starbucks and order a Frappuccino and you're sitting there not knowing what to get. So I did a little bit of research and found 3 healthy Starbucks drinks, well, sort of healthy Starbucks drinks that'll make you feel a little bit less guilty sometimes. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first one is going to be a grande unsweetened passion tango tea with coconut milk, and it tastes very watery, but it has that hint of coconut that just tastes incredible. I could already tell that this drink is really refreshing, and I could see myself drinking this like the first thing in the morning when I'm having some breakfast. It's very light, and I like the fact that it's not too coconutty, but it gives you that refreshing taste of coconut with that hint of tea. And the great thing about this one is the fact that it's only about 100 calories, and if you decide to order it without the coconut, it'll save you about 100 calories, so it'll be 0 calories. So this one is a great drink if you're trying to also stay healthy and be cautious of calories. So if you're going to be counting calories, I would go with this tea. The second one is a grande iced skinny vanilla latte, and it's roughly about 100 calories. It definitely is sweet. It has that caramel tone to it, and it also has that coffee flavor that goes alongside with it. I would say it has a little bit of caffeine that kicks you up. I can already feel like it's getting there, and it's very sweet, so it's not too sugary, but it is definitely sweet. You could definitely taste the sweetness to this one. And this last one is like a very famous keto pink drink. It's made out of passion tango tea, and it has heavy cream instead of the milk, and I didn't put too much sugar in there, but people usually take it when they're on a keto diet. There's a pink drink, but this is the keto version of it, and it tastes very sweet, I would say, and it has the mild undertone of like a creamy and a like delicate taste to it that's really good. So to get this pink drink, I would just ask Starbucks to make you a passion tango iced tea, and instead of the milk, I would ask for heavy cream, and then you could add 2 to 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. But yeah, that wraps it up. I just wanted to do a test taste for you guys and recommend 3 drinks that are not on the heavy calorie side that you can indulge in once in a while. And if you guys have any recommendations of which Starbucks drinks to take if you are on a diet or on a keto diet or just simply watching calories, I'd love for you guys to let me know what they are in the comment section below. And if you guys know of any healthy recipes that are like a DIY for Starbucks drinks that you know of, I'd also appreciate if you guys let me know too. Maybe I could do a DIY version of these drinks later on in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it would mean a lot to me if you subscribed, liked, and shared this video. So thanks for watching. The funny thing is they never get my name right at Starbucks. Let me know in the comment section below if you could also relate. Thank you so much for sticking all the way to the end of this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notification icons for more videos like these. Until then, see you on the next one.